Crafting credibility. What gives someone credibility? Knowledge, right? What you know, experience, what you've done, and who you know, right? And then turn that into a shiny bauble. What's an impressive fact that's unique to you? What do I need to say? No, oh, sorry. What do I need to know? What I need to know to be able to trust what you have to say? Right. So who are you? Right. So for me, I could go, okay, I've been in tech for 30 years. That's one thing. Okay. I've been on Academy Award winning team. That's another thing, right? I've won dozens of awards already. That's another thing, right? So you can also use things that people say about you, maybe quotes or testimonies for your customers or credibility, right? It doesn't have to be something super big, right? It doesn't have to be something like crazy impressive. It can be something just positive accolades that give you credibility.